Hi, I'm Guy, and I'm talking today on the Guy R. Cook Report podcast about should you use absolute links or relative links when you're setting up your website. Well, there's a big debate on that, and I'm of the opinion relative links are going to work for you better if you're using the content on other websites, okay? So you want to move it from domain A to domain B. Well, if you're using a relative link, that move is going to be easy as cake. If you're using absolute links, then you've got to go in and change domain A to domain B on every link, okay? Not easy done. And I think that you're going to find that easy done is the way to get things done. So head over to the website, theguyRcookreport.podbean.com. Click on the link for this Google document, and it's got all of the pros and cons listed out there as far as using absolute links or relative links. It's going to depend on what type of environment you want to generate, what you got going on. But there you have it. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.